Have you ever wanted to create a professional videos without editing skills? What if I told you you can generate an entire video in just a few minutes using AI? Today I will show you one of the best free AI video generator available right now. If you're looking for free AI tool to create YouTube videos, social media content, or marketing videos, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you what InVideo AI is and how it works, its best features, and whether it's worth using in 2026. InVideo AI is an AI-powered video generator. You simply type your idea or prompt, and AI creates a complete video with scenes, texts, voiceover, transition, and background music. You don't need a professional editing skills. Everything is generated automatically. Now, how to use InVideo AI? First, to open your browser, type InVideo AI, click the first website. Now click on Start Creating. Add your Google account or email. Now wait for 2 or more seconds to load it. Scroll down, click on Projector button, create new projector, and finally enter your prompt and generate video. Wait a few moments while AI creates your video. Once it's ready, you can edit the text to replace media, change the music, or export the final video. Here are my favorite features of InVideo AI. First is AI secure auto generation, automatic voiceover, stock videos and images, and lost order subtitles is the best way one-click video creation. Guys, if you want to watch more videos like AI technology and power photos and these informative videos, so you make sure like my video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you want to see in the next video.